Kampeni cia munini wa President William Ruto na batoni yake makia UDA nicio ithamakite kaunti-ini cia Nandi na Uasin Gishu.
Arambe!
Atongoria aria manyitaga munini wa President Baru nio marire ndereti iria irongoreirio kuri mucirithania munene Martha Koome uria maugite ni arataganiria wira wake.
That you are preparing elections. You sit in the preparation of elections, and when the elections are over, you want to wear another hat as an independent judicial officer in the determination of the presidential election.
She must not, as Chief Justice, allow herself to be recruited into an illegal and an unconstitutional outfit. The outfit that they call the multi-agency team on management of elections.
Murarako uria uri na atongoria aya umanite na mucemanio wa kere uria mucirithania munene atongoretie gatagati ka honge itiganite cia thirikari iria ciokete hamwe kwaririria mibango ya mehaririria ma githurano kinene.
We owe it to Kenyans to ensure that there is electoral justice in the processes that we engage in and also in our preparedness.
Atongoria aya maugite mari na nganja na kamiti ino iria marauga iri na honge imwe itagirirwo gukorwo ho mehaririria-ini ma githurano, na uyu ni undu wahota gutuma Kenya amwe makorwo na nganja na moimirira ma githurano.
Iko agenda ingine ambayo pengine wewe haujui. Keep off vitu ambavyo wewe haujui, fuata vile katiba ya Kenya inasema ufanye.
She is the natural arbiter, and we want her, when she sits, when these petitions are taken before courts of law, she should assume a position of being an arbiter and a neutral.
Munini wa President William Ruto ni akumithitie mubango wothe wa kuima Kenya kihoto kiao na agatetirithia ithurano itiagirirwo ni guthingithia miturire ya Kenya na njira o yothe.
Wananchi wa Kenya wasikuwe na wasiwasi. Tutahakikisha kama viongozi wote wa taifa letu la Kenya kwamba tutakuwa na nafasi nzuri kwa kila Mkenya kuamua vile anavyopenda mwenyewe bila ya kushurutishwa.
Ruto na atongoria aria manyitanire nake icera-ini riake athiite na mbere na kwendia cioneki cia kiama kia UDA kiria mari na mwihoko ni gikayukia uhotani ithurano-ini cia mwaka ukite.
Nawahakikishia watu wa Nandi ya kwamba hii chama yetu iko na national appeal.
We have an agenda called the bottom-up economic model. Sisi tunataka kutuunganisha wa Kenya.
Wale wanajaribu kututisha ati sijui watafanya, tunataka tuwaambie Kenya will remain united and peaceful.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Jitagwo Gathoni wa Jehia.